Yeah. This thing sounds so awesome. Sick. Yeah. Yeah, right.
350 that just drove by.
Oh man. Dude, this thing's sick. Ridiculous. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, right. Right?
I hate
Yeah.
I want that car.
Yeah. That's beautiful. I like that thing.
We're so
Christian, is this your car?
Yes, this is the turd.
You hit a raccoon. A raccoon hit you.
The raccoon hit me. It was two of them. They hit me. They took
Raccoon-
off my sides.
Raccoons
my
have
front
something
is still
against
good.
Christian.
Raccoons kicked Christian's car's butt.
Yeah, and they even left shit around it and hazed up my headlights. It's horrible, man.
That's terrible. Damn raccoons. This is nice though. Super low. Hey.
This is not. This is a piece of shit.
It's his grandma.
Exactly. It's slow.
What-
It's retarded.
What have you done to this thing?
LED front lip, side lips. I got TN coils on there, not coilovers, but springs.
Okay.
And a custom 3-inch exhaust with 5-inch outlet tip.
Do you want to rev it?
Double tinted windows. And no, I'm not gonna rev it because I got a nasty valve tap that I don't need people to hear.
Hold on.
If I rev it, it's gonna be too loud for this thing.
It's gonna clack, 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 clack.
I'll give you a little rev, just a little.
Aurora? Cool. Yeah? What does a valve tap sound like?
Bring it up front.
Bring it up front. Is it what was going on with the Mazda? Yeah.
Not as loud as mine. That's
Yeah,
about
okay.
quieter. Mine was a rotten knock.
Oh, okay, yeah,
So
because
it was a
yours
lot
was like
deeper.
clack, 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 clack.
Yeah,
I got you. Yeah, okay.
Mine isn't like that. Mine's just like, but it's all minimal though. But yeah, that's the valve tap that I hate.
Gotcha.
If I
Engine
kept-
probs.
If I kept the car, I'll do an engine swap, a JDM engine swap, but I'm not even gonna go about it. It's not even worth it for me, so I'm just gonna fuck it.
Yeah.
I wish I could change my car, but it turned out to be
I think 6.
What
Very
YouTube channel?
What?
What YouTube channel?
It's Mills Garage.
Garage?
Yeah.